Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is a powerful tool that helps us to chat, call, attend meetings and collaborate with our colleagues all in one place. Many officers use Microsoft Teams for daily work, online meetings, file sharing, and team communication. We will start by looking at the Teams interface. Then I'll show you how to chat with colleagues, join meetings, and manage your teams and channels. Don't worry, if you are not very technical, I will explain everything step by step using clear examples. By end of this video, you will feel confident using Microsoft Teams for your daily office works. Let's start. Before using Teams, we have to install Microsoft Teams on your PC or laptop. Installing Microsoft Teams is easy. Go to your Microsoft Store and search Microsoft Teams and install Teams. After the installation, log into the Teams using your Microsoft account. I have already signed in my Microsoft account in web browser, so Teams will not ask for my password again. Now you have successfully installed Microsoft Teams and logged in. Now let's talk about the interface. Let's start with left side menu, which is the main navigation area in Microsoft Teams. First, we have activity. This shows all your notifications such as mentions, replies and missed calls. If you want to quickly check what you have missed, this is the place to look. Next, chat. This is where you can send one-to-one message or group messages. You can share files, emojis, and even start calls directly from the chat window. After that, we have Teams. This selection is used to team collaboration. Inside Teams, you will see different teams and channels. Channels help you recognize conversation based on topic or departments. Now let's talk about the calendar. The calendar shows all your scheduled meetings. From here, you can join meetings, schedule meetings, and see meeting details. At the top of the screen, you will see the search bar. You can use this to find messages, people, files, or commands very quickly. On the top right corner, you will see your profile picture. From here, you can change your status, update settings, and sign out. To schedule a meeting, go to the calendar and click the new meeting. First, you have to enter the meeting title. The meeting title helps participants to understand the purpose of the meeting. For example, I will name this meeting as monthly sales meeting. Next, add the email addresses of the participants who will attend to the meeting. You can invite both external and internal users. After that, select the date and time for the meeting. There is also an option to make as an all-day event if required. If this meeting needs to happen regularly, you can set as a recurring meeting. You can customize the recurring pattern and also set the end date for the recurring meetings as well. On the left side, you will see additional meeting options. The first option is who can bypass the lobby. The meeting organizer can control who can join the meeting directly and who must wait in the lobby. The next option is who can present. Here you can decide who is allowed to present during the meeting. Once all details are completed, click Save and Send. Your meeting is scheduled and invitations will be sent to all participants. On the right side, there is a filter or search button. Click this search button for a person you want to chat with quickly. If you click on Meet Now, you can create an instant meeting and generate a shareable meeting link. You can share this link with others to start the meeting immediately. Next, click on New Chat option to open new chat window and start conversation. Now let's look at the settings. In the general settings, you can change how Microsoft behave for incoming notifications and chats, including how new messages open in a window. Under language and region, you can change the team map language, date format and time format according to your preference. You can also update your time zone here. In the Appearance button, you can change the format of the Microsoft Teams. You can choose between light mode and dark mode depending on what is comfortable for you. These settings help you customize Microsoft Teams to match your working style and preferences. Next very important part of the Microsoft Teams is devices. Under audio, this is the first place you should check your sound is not working during a meeting. Make sure the correct microphone and speakers are selected and always test your audio before joining the meeting. Under video, check whether your camera is properly detected. If the camera is not selected correctly, other participants will not be able to see you during the meeting. By checking these device settings in advance, you can avoid common audio-video issues in Microsoft Teams. Some users experience Teams running slow and freezing. This can happen when too many applications are open. Close unnecessary program and check your internet connection and keep Microsoft Teams updated. Notification issues are very common. If you are missing messages or calls, go to Settings, Notification and review your notification preferences. Another issue is not able to join meetings. Check your internet connection first. If the problem continues, try to join through a Microsoft Teams web version as a temporary solution. Sometimes users face file sharing and syncing issues. Make sure you have proper access permission and stable internet connection. Refresh the page and reopen Teams if the files are not updating. In most cases, these simple steps can quickly resolve common Microsoft Teams problem. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe to the channel.